You're not ugly, but you might be doing a few things every single day that are quietly ruining your looks. Most people don't realize it, but your daily habits decide how your face looks, how fast you age, and even how confident you appear. In this video, I'll show you 7 everyday habits that are secretly destroying your face, and more importantly, how to fix each one easily. The best part? You'll start noticing changes in just a few weeks. Let's get started. 1. Touching your face too much. This is one of the most common and most ignored habits. You might think it's harmless, but touching your face spreads dirt and bacteria from your hands directly onto your skin. Think about it. Your hands touch your phone, your desk, doorknobs, keyboards, even money. Then, you rest your chin on your palm or rub your eyes, and boom, that dirt and oil clog your pores. The result? Acne, oily skin, and irritation that makes you look older than you are. Fix. Be aware of it. Each time you feel like touching your face, stop. Wash your hands regularly and keep them off your skin. The less you touch, the clearer and healthier your face becomes. 2. Chewing on one side only. This one might surprise you, but chewing on one side of your mouth can actually reshape your face over time. When you always chew on the same side, that jaw muscle becomes stronger and bigger than the other. Over the years, this leads to facial asymmetry. Your face starts to look uneven. One cheek appears higher or fuller, and your jawline loses its balance. Fix. Train yourself to chew evenly. If you're chewing gum, switch sides every few minutes. When eating, consciously use both sides of your mouth. This keeps your jaw balanced and your face symmetrical and sharp. 3. Not getting enough sunlight. If you spend most of your time indoors, your skin will show it. Lack of sunlight means low vitamin D, low testosterone, low mood, and a dull, lifeless appearance. Have you ever noticed how people who spend time outdoors look naturally healthier? They have a slight tan, bright eyes, and a vibrant energy. That's what sunlight does. It gives your skin a natural glow and your body the fuel it needs. Fix. Get at least 15 to 20 minutes of sunlight daily. Go for a walk, do your workout outside, or simply sit by a sunny window. But remember, apply sunscreen. Sunlight is great, but UV damage isn't. 4. Poor sleep routine. Sleep isn't just for energy, it's where your body repairs itself. When you don't sleep enough, you don't just feel tired, you look tired. Dark circles, puffy eyes, pale skin, these are all signs of poor sleep. Even one all-nighter can make your face look swollen and dull. Now imagine doing that every day for months. Fix. Get 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep. Sleep at the same time every night. Avoid screens at least an hour before bed. And keep your phone away while sleeping. Good sleep tightens your skin, brightens your eyes, and sharpens your jawline naturally. 5. Too much caffeine. Caffeine isn't evil, but abusing it is. When you're drinking 3 or 4 cups of coffee a day just to stay awake, you're actually dehydrating your skin and increasing stress hormones. That dryness makes your face look tired and older, and your sleep quality drops too, creating a vicious cycle of fatigue. Fix. Limit yourself to 1 to 2 cups of coffee per day, and for every cup you drink, have a full glass of water. Real energy should come from good food, hydration, and rest, not endless caffeine. 6. Chronic stress. You can't escape stress, but if you don't control it, it'll show on your face. High cortisol, the stress hormone, does 3 things you don't want. It breaks down collagen, increases oil production, and slows skin repair. That's why during exams, deadlines, or tough times, you suddenly start breaking out or looking dull. Fix. Learn to manage your stress. Exercise regularly, meditate, spend time outdoors, listen to music, or hang out with friends. When your mind is calm, your skin glows, your eyes brighten, and you look more alive. 7. Blaming genetics. And finally, the worst habit of all, blaming your genetics. Saying, "I just have bad skin," or "I'll never look good because of my genes," is the biggest lie you can tell yourself. Yes, genetics give you the base, but habits, diet, and lifestyle shape what you see in the mirror. Most transformations you see online, they're not people born lucky. They're people who worked on their habits, stayed consistent, and let their efforts show through their face. Fix. Take control. Eat clean, sleep well, stay hydrated, move your body, and take care of your skin. Within weeks, you'll start to see a completely new version of yourself. You don't need surgery, filters, or perfect genetics to look good. You just need better daily habits. Your face is a reflection of how you live, and if you fix these 7 habits, you'll look younger, healthier, and more confident than ever before. If you found this video helpful, hit that subscribe button, turn on notifications, and check out the links in the description for more life-changing content. Because this is Youspire Money, where we help you improve not just your looks, but your life.